In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Trello, which is a free project management tool and software to help you to organize your to-do list, whether it's for your work, your business, or for your personal life. And do check out this video for the entire tutorial. First step is go over to the Trello website and sign up for the free account. So Trello is a great project management tool. So whenever you sign up for the free account, so you will be brought to this Trello dashboard. So what you need to do right now is to click on the plus button. It is called workspace. So you need to create a workspace first, then followed by creating a board inside a workspace. So basically a workspace is just like, for example, you could have like a workspace in Trello called personal board, or you could have like another workspace that is called business A, or another workspace for business B in Trello. So it's pretty versatile for both your personal and business use. So right now I'm just going to create a workspace. So maybe this workspace is related to my work in junlo.co. Alright, so you can check out my website, and you can say that this is for operation for your small business, and you can describe the workspace as well. So basically, in each workspace, you can also invite your other team members as well. So for example, I have another Trello account, and I'm just going to invite my another account, alright, into my same workspace. So once you have done that, in each workspace, you could have like the board itself. So they have a lot of different templates, but I'm just going to show you guys the templates that I'm just going to build from scratch. And later on, we are going to see some of the templates. So if you want to build a template from scratch, you can just click plus and click create Trello board. And you can pick the color of the board to whichever that you like, and give this a board a title. So this will be junlo.co to-do list maybe. Alright, and I will host it in the workspace that is called junlo.co, which is the workspace that I created just now. In one workspace, you can have like 10 Trello boards. So you could have this visibility. Maybe you want to keep it for your private, for your own use. Even though you invite your members to the workspace, if you keep it private, which means they are unable to access your Trello board, or you want to keep it open to all the members in the workspace. So for private to-do listings, I will actually keep it in private in Trello. So it depends on how you're using it. So assume that you're using it together with your team. I'll just pick workspace in Trello. So now, here's the thing. So how Trello works is that you can create a lot of lists. So this list maybe is like to-do list. Or I like to start with everything discussion with my team member, and this is called to-do list. This is doing, and this is done. So in each of the lists, you can have like different cards. Like I'm just give you guys an example. Maybe you have a to-do list is like, oh, update amazing challenge date. So for example, I have a 7-day amazing video challenge, and then I want to tell my teammates, hey, you know what? Remember to update the dates in for this challenge in the Trello. So I can do a lot of tasks. I can put in the links here. I can write in a lot of description. I can even input image as well, or you can upload from your computer for the image. So I'm not going to pick any photo. So you can upload the image as you like. And then other than that, you can also tag your member. So this is my another workspace member, which is yet to join. That is my another account, so I can tag her. All right. So, and also there is something very, very cool about this feature is the date. So maybe perhaps this is the task that you want to assign to your teammates. In Trello, you can actually set a due date. So let's assume that I'm setting a due date as 5th of June. And I can request, you can even change the time in Trello. And if you set the due date reminder as 10 minutes before the specific time, what Trello will do is that Trello will then send a notification via email to your team member or whoever in this card like 10 minutes before the due date. And this is very useful even for myself individually, whether it's for my individual tasks or for my work tasks, because Trello will send me the reminder, which is very awesome. Okay, another very great thing is that the cover. So, sorry, not the cover, the label. So basically, imagine that you have a lot of tasks. So maybe this is update amazing challenge, and this is you need to update YouTube channel. All right, and another would be like edit YouTube video, and you have a specific video, maybe this Trello video. All right, so update Canva, just an example. You have so many tasks. Can you imagine, like you have 10 tasks that you are doing, and obviously you want to be able to arrange them according to priority. So that's when you can use this label in Trello. Like for example, this is called urgent. You can label red color as urgent. You can define the title as you like. You can define the title as you like. Right now I'm just going to define the red color as urgent in Trello and save it in Trello. And orange maybe second priority, right? Oh, save. Okay, you can create as many labels as you want. This is not important. Okay, so you can have this as a priority, or another way of thought is that you want to use the label as category of the items. Like for example, this amazing challenge is web related. It's a web task related. You can label as web task related, or you could have like another type. This is related to YouTube video. Okay, you can define all the different labels, and then in each of the tasks you can have more than one label. Like for example, for this update amazing challenge, I think is second priority and it is web related. Okay, and how important it is that you can able to filter via the color and the name very easily. You can make use of these filter functions. All right, you can filter via this label that is called second priority, and then only second priority cards will actually appear. So this is very, very easy. So other than that, so let us just test it out. In this card, I'm just going to put another label, call this as urgent. So maybe you have limited time for the day, you want to see what are the important things that you need to complete inside Trello. You can just tick urgent, and it's so easy when it comes to the project management. So right now I want to select for all labels, so you just select all. Okay, so you can remove the filter as you like. Right, so I'm just going to pick all. Oops, let me reselect again. Okay, actually you just need to click clear all to clear all the filters, just like how it works in Excel. So another thing is that you can move this card pretty easily. So assuming that you have already done for the card, you can move it to done, so that you can keep your focus on the doing list in the Trello. So you can add a lot more other lists. Like for example, when I'm working with my team in this Trello board, I love to keep it. One is my to-do list, another one it's to review list, because maybe after your team done the task already, it will be moved to your review. All right, so this is very handy. And then second thing that you can actually append a photo, and you can also include a photo cover as well. So for example, if I want to pick this as my photo cover, so let us just, this will appear as a photo cover. And of course, you have a choice of deleting that as well. If you don't like it, you can just remove the cover. Okay, so this is something that it's very awesome. You can click here, you can just remove the cover, or the cover can be just via the color. So it is very easy to use for the Trello. And one thing in extra that I always work with my team is like we use it the Trello as a communication. Like for example, we are actually doing this task for YouTube, and I want to tag my member, hey, complete this task and add my links inside, for example. And maybe my instruction isn't clear, so when my other account is trying to read they will actually receive a notification over this bell button as a notification at their side, because I tag them, just like how it works in the social media. And then they can actually click it and re-tag me again. They can tag me back and say, hey, which link are you referring to? So it is very, very easy. So another thing that it's these are the basic stuff. And then if let's say you want, you can also prepare a checklist to update YouTube channel, for example. So this checklist can be like, oh, add a thumbnail, at the end screen. So these checklists, once you have done, you can actually click tick, and you can even set date as well, but for this is more, if let's say you want to set a date for the checklist, you will then need to upgrade. But whatever I'm showing you guys right now, you can just use for free. You don't have to upgrade for anything, and it is very, very easy to use, and you will love it once you start using it. So I've been using Trello for my personal tasks, as well as a main communication tool that I use to communicate with my team as well. I hope you guys loving this Trello video tutorial, and if you've been loving it, you will love my YouTube channel as I share a lot more about software that I'm using in order to get more leads and clients using the Facebook automation tools. So you want to subscribe to the YouTube channel as well if you want to learn how to use ChatGPT to power up your productivity in your personal life and in your business. You do not want to miss out this free course by me absolutely for free at junlo.net/ChatGPT, junlo.net/ChatGPT, where I teach you how I use ChatGPT in order to power up my productivity. And I'll see you guys in the next video then. Take care. Bye.